Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. Okay, where we stop in the last class? Where we stop in the last class? Yes, we just started a poem. We just started a poem. Okay, okay. Now I will ask some question about that poem. I will ask some question about that poem. What is the name of that poem? What is the name of that poem? Yes, the fight. The fight. And then which are the characters in the poem? Which are the characters in the poem? Yes, two little kittens and one old woman. One old woman. Okay. Then the last class I gave you one homework. What is that? Name two cartoon cats you like. All of you done it? Yes, very good. Okay. I will read the poem first to last, where we stop the first to last. Okay. And then we can start balance. Next lines. Stanza. Okay. Then two little kittens one stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse, the other had a nun, and that's the way the quarrel began. I will have that mouse, said the bigger cat. Bigger cat, you will have the mouse. We will see about that. I will have that mouse, said the eldest one. You shall have the mouse, said the little one. The old woman seized her sweeping broom and swept both the kittens right out of the room. The ground was covered with frost and snow, and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. They lay and shivered on a mat at the door while the old woman was sleeping in the floor. Okay, in the last class we stop here. Okay, now we can start next stanza, 8th stanza. Okay, then 8th stanza. And then they crept in as quiet as mice, all wet with the snow and as cold as ice. Then what happened? And then they crept in as quiet as a mice. What happened? They crept in as quiet as a mice, all wet with the snow and as cold as a ice. അങ്ങനെ അവർ അങ്ങനെ ആ തണുപ്പത്ത് നിന്ന് എന്ത് പറ്റി? അവിടെ കിടക്കുകയായിരുന്നില്ല, എന്ത് പറ്റി? They both of them wet, all wet the snow, ആകെ നനഞ്ഞു കുതിർന്നു. ആൻഡ് ആസ് കോൾഡ് ആസ് ഐസ് പോലെ രണ്ടുപേരും എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? നനഞ്ഞു കുതിർന്നു. All wet with the snow and the cold as ice. Okay, then last stanza. And found it much better that stormy night to lie by the fire than quarrel and fight. Then last, both of them, two little kittens are understand what happened. They realized what happened and found it much better. They understood that found it much better. എന്തായിരുന്നു നല്ലത്? That stormy night to lie by the fire. എന്താണ്? നല്ല ചൂടുള്ള സ്ഥലത്ത് പോയി കിടക്കുന്നതാണ് അടി കൂടുന്നതിനേക്കാളും നല്ലത് എന്ന് ആര് മനസ്സിലാക്കാണ്? Yes, the both little kittens. Okay, then and found it much better that stormy night to lie by the fire than to quarrel and fight. Both the two little kittens are realized what? Yes, much better that stormy night to lie by the fire than to quarrel and fight. അടി കൂടുന്നതിനേക്കാളും ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനേക്കാളും ബെറ്റർ ആണ് എന്ത്? നല്ല ചൂടുള്ള സ്ഥലത്ത് തീൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് പോയി കിടക്കുക എന്നുള്ളത്. Okay, all of you understand the last stanzas, 8th and 9th stanza. Okay, once again I will read the two stanza, 8 and 9. Okay, 8th stanza. And then they crept in as quiet as mice, all wet with snow and as cold as ice. and found it much better that stormy night to lie by the fire than to quarrel and fight. Okay, all of you understand this poem? Okay, once again I will read the whole poem and I will give you the summary of that poem. Okay, all of you take page number 24. Two little kittens one stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse, the other had a nun, and that's the way the quarrel began. I will have that mouse, said the bigger cat. You will have the mouse? We will see about that. Then I will have that mouse, said the eldest one. You shall have the mouse, said the little one. The older woman seized her sweeping broom and swept both the kittens right out of the room. The ground was covered with frost and snow, and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. They lay and shivered on a mat at the door while the old woman was sweeping the floor. And then they crept in as they quiet as mice, all wet with the snow and as cold as ice, the last stanza, and found it much better that stormy night to lie by the fire than to quarrel and fight. What happened in the poem? The two kittens are start fighting about, yes, about mouse. And then at last what happened? The old woman right out of the room. അതിനെ രണ്ട് പൂച്ചകളെയും പുറത്തെടുത്ത് തരുന്നു അല്ലേ. ദെൻ they shivered with frost and snow. അവർ ആ തണുപ്പത്ത് കടന്ന് ആകെ വിറച്ച് തണുത്തു അല്ലേ. Then what happened last? Yes, both the kittens are realized that it's better to lie by the fire than quarrel and fight. അടി ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതിന് ഫൈറ്റ് കൂടുന്നതിനേക്കാളും എത്രയോ ബെറ്ററാണ് എന്ത് യെസ്, ചൂടുള്ള എവിടെയെങ്കിലും പോയി കിടക്കുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, all of you understand this poem? Yes, very good. All of you read this poem 3 or 4 times. Okay, then I will give you some words to write 5 times. Okay, first you write the chapter name, the fight. Okay, after that you write this words. Okay, first word fight. Then second word zest. Then third word frost. Then last word shiver. Okay, these are the 4 words: fight, zest, frost and shiver. Okay, now all of you take page number 26. Page number 26. Page number 26. Activities. Exercise. Okay, let us understand. Write the rhyming words from the poem. Write the rhyming words from the poem. I think last class we discussed about what is rhyming words. Rhyming words. What is rhyming words? Ending with the same sound words we called rhyming words. അതായത് ഒരു സ്റ്റാൻസയിൽ എന്താ പറയുക, ഒരുപോലെ സൗണ്ടിൽ എൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരുപോലത്തെ സൗണ്ടിൽ എൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വേർഡ്സ് ആണ് എന്ത് rhyming words എന്ന് പറയാം അല്ലേ. Okay, now we here write rhyming words from the poem. Here in this poem lots of rhyming words here. Okay, now we can find out which are the rhyming words. Here given 6 words. Then you find out the rhyming word. First word night. Okay, here first is dancer. All of you listen. Any matching words here? ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം നൈറ്റിന് പറ്റിയിട്ടുള്ള ഏതെങ്കിലും റൈമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് ഉണ്ടോ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ആൻസർ, ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു ലിസൺ. ഫസ്റ്റ് ആൻസർ, ടു ലിറ്റിൽ കിറ്റൻസ് വൺ stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. Here there is a last words. All of you listen, last words, kittens, night, quarrel and fight. There is any same sound ending with the same sound? Kittens, night, quarrel and fight. Yes, very good. Fight. Fight, night. Yes, that's the correct answer. Fight and night. Okay, and then next second word, door, room. Second word, room. Okay, here there is any matching rhyming words. All of you listen. Here there is any matching rhyming words in this poem. Room. Yes, very good. Broom. Room. Broom. Okay, this is the matching word of room. Okay, then next word, which is next, door. Next word, door. Okay, all of you listen the poem. There is any matching word with the door? Door. Here, this seventh stanza. All of you listen. Seventh stanza. Door, floor. Yes, very good. Floor. Floor. Then next fourth word, mice. Mice. Okay. Here is any. All of you listen. Eighth stanza. Mice. Mice matching. There is any matching word with mice? Yes. Eyes. Eyes. Okay. Then fifth word, go. Okay. Go. Okay, there is any matching rhyming words. All of you listen. Sixth stanza, go. Yes, very good. Snow. Go, snow. Okay. Then last word, cat. Sixth word, cat. Cat. Okay, all of you listen. Matching word with cat. Yes, that. That. Okay, now all of you listen here. These are all rhyming words. Okay, all of these words ending with the same sound. We can just read the words. Night, fight. Night, fight. Room, broom. Room, broom. Then door, floor. Door, floor. Mice, eyes. Mice, eyes. Then go, snow. Go, snow. And last word, cat, that. Cat, that. Okay, all these words are rhyming words. And all these words ending with the same sound. Okay, all of you read 3 or 4 times these words. Okay, now all of you write this rhyme words in your textbook. Night, fight. Night, fight. Room, broom, door, floor, mice, eyes, go, snow, cat, and that's what that. Okay, finish? All of you finish? Okay, now all of you listen. B. A is over, then B. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay, first question. Why were the two little kittens fighting? Why were the two little kittens fighting? ഇതിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് എന്തിനാണ് ഇവർ the both two little kittens fight ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. For what? ഇതിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. Yes, both the two little kittens are fighting about a mouse. First stanza, all of you, the two little kittens once dominate began to quarrel. Then one had a mouse, the other had a nun. That's the way the quarrel began. എന്താണ് ആ മൗസിനെ ചൊല്ലിയിട്ടാണല്ലേ അവർ എന്ത് ചെയ്തത്? ഫൈറ്റ് തുടങ്ങിയത്. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ആൻസർ. Then second, who got angry with the kittens? Who got angry with the kittens? ആർക്കാണ് അവിടെ ദേഷ്യം വന്നത്? ഈ ബോത്ത് കിറ്റൻസും ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യണപ്പോൾ ആർക്കാണ് അവിടെ ദേഷ്യം വന്നത്? യെസ്, ദ ഓൾഡ് വുമൺ. വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് ഷീ ഡു? എന്നിട്ട് അവരെന്താ ചെയ്തത്? ആ ഓൾഡ് വുമൺ എന്താ ചെയ്തത്? വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് ഷീ ഡു? യെസ്, ദ ഓൾഡ് ലേഡി. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു ലിസൺ ദ fifth stanza. The old woman seized her sweeping broom and swept both the kittens out of the room. അവരുടെ സ്വീപ്പിംഗ് ബ്രൂം എടുത്തിട്ട് തുറക്കുന്ന അടിച്ചുവന്ന ചൂലെടുത്തിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? 2 കിറ്റൻസിനെ വീടിൻ്റെ വെളിയിലേക്ക് ഇട്ടു അല്ലേ? The old woman seized her sweeping broom and swept both the kittens right out of the room. Okay, then next, third question. What made the two little kittens come in? What made the two little kittens come in? Where did they lie down? എന്താണ് എന്നിട്ട് അവർ ചെയ്തത്? Yes, both of them. All of you listen the last stanza. And they crept in as quiet as mice, all wet with snow. അവരെന്ത് ചെയ്തു? പതുങ്ങി വീടിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് വന്നൂലേ? എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്? ആ ഫയറിൻ്റെ ചൂട് കിട്ടുന്ന സ്ഥലത്തേക്ക് വന്നൂലേ? വാട്ട് മേഡ് ദ ടു ലിറ്റിൽ കിറ്റൻസ് കം ഇൻ? ലൈക്ക് എ മൈസ്. അങ്ങനെ പതുങ്ങി വന്നൂലേ? ദെൻ വേർ ഡിഡ് ദേ ലേ ഡൗൺ? എവിടെയാണ് അവർ എന്നിട്ട് കിടന്നത്? ഫയർ ചൂട് കിട്ടുന്ന സ്ഥലത്ത് കിടന്നു. ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു ലിസൺ ദ ലാസ്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. ആൻഡ് ദെൻ ദേ ക്രെപ്റ്റ് ഇൻ ആസ് ക്വൈറ്റ് ആസ് mice, all wet with the snow and as cold as ice. Okay, then last stanza. And found it much better that stormy night to lie by the fire than to quarrel and beacon. Okay, last question. Do you think that the two cats learn a lesson? Do you think that two little kittens learn a lesson? Yes, they learn a lesson. What is the lesson? Yes, and found it better that stormy night to lie by the fire than to quarrel and fight. എന്താ അവർ പഠിച്ചത്? വഴക്ക് കൂടുന്നതിനേക്കാളും ബെറ്ററാണിത് ഇവിടെ വന്ന് ചൂടിലിങ്ങനെ കിടക്കുന്നത്. അതാണല്ലേ അവർ പഠിച്ചത്, വഴക്ക് കൂടാൻ പാടില്ല എന്ന്. Then what did they learn? Okay, they learn that stormy night to lie by the fire then to quarrel and fight. എന്താണ് ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെക്കാട്ടിലും നല്ലതാണ് അവിടെ വന്ന് കിടക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, all of you understand the question answers? 4 question answers. Okay, I will send this all answer in your WhatsApp group. Okay, all of you write this question answer very neatly in your notebook. Okay, once again I will explain what is the poem. Okay, then what is the name of the story? Poem. The Fight. Yes, very good, The Fight. Okay, first we done a homework name 2 cartoon characters you like. Okay, all of you done. It's very good. Okay, then which are the characters in this poem? Which are the characters in the poem? Yes, there are 2 little kittens. Then what happened there? Why is the reason of the fighting? Yes, about the mouse. And then there is any other characters in this poem? Yes, one old lady. Okay, one old lady. Then what did she do? What did she do? Yes, the old woman seized a sweeping broom and swept both the kittens right out of the room. Then what lesson learned at last both the kittens? What lesson they learned? Yes, and found much better the stormy night to lie by the fire than to quarrel than fight. Okay, that's the lesson they learned. Then next we discuss the rhyming words. We wrote all 6 rhyming words in the poem. Then we discuss the four question answer. Okay, okay. Then all of you read this poem 2 or 3 times and write the words 5 times and rhyming words also. I will send the question answer. Okay, we can meet next class. Thank you.